Hello and welcome back to Steam It with Steve. Today we're going to keep going with our coding combat journey, and we're moving on to level number 10, the Haunted Kith Maze. So if we open this up, a maze constructed to confuse travelers. Let's see what happens with this one when we open it up.
Code combat.
I suspect we'll probably need to use a while loop though. Yeah, awesome. So your hero must survive, navigate the maze, and then under 6 statements. So again, we're going to be using these compressed statements. And you only need to use the while loop containing 4 commands for this level. So it looks like what's going to happen as our pattern is we're going to move right 2 spaces. Then we're going to move up 2 spaces. See? 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we're going to move right 2 spaces, then up 2 spaces. And it looks like that goes on until we get to the exit. So, they've already done some of the codes. So while true, and they've done move right, move right.
Move right.
Instead of that, I don't actually like that. So let's change that to move right twice.
Move right.
And you see, because it's just got that command, all it does is move right. And then eventually he's going to hit spikes down there. So to fix this, what do you think we need to add in? So we're going to move right twice, and then instead we need to move up twice. So do you see that we can actually do this in 3 lines of code? So then we go move up twice. And if we run this,
move right.
Oh, what they've got, fix your code, look at capital R. See, I've got lowercase u. So if we get rid of that and go up with a capital U,
move right. Move up.
He's going to move up. He's going to get that gem.
Move
Then
right.
he's going to go to the next one. So he's going to move right.
Move up.
Then move up. Then he's going to go again, moving right.
Move right.
And then up.
Move up.
And then we're done. Made it. So in 3 lines of code, instead of writing move up, right, then up, move right, then up, move right, then up, move right, then up. Do you see that's a super more efficient way of doing it? Okay. So hopefully you've picked something up with that. And we're on to the next level. So we're flying through. We're past the halfway point now. So the next level will be going level 11, descending further. So hopefully you've learned something along the lines here. Thanks for coming along. See you next time on Steam It with Steve.